Alright, I don't know if anybody ever saw it, but it's on my concession chart looks like, but here it is. Not a whole lot to it, guys. Very simple. Hand wash sink, 3-bay sink, rain boards both sides. My meat prepping table, my serving area, 3 serving windows, and turn around. It's got AC and heat. And then that goes out to the pit in the back. And that's all my parts, safety shit, and licenses, and all that good crap. I don't know if I ever showed this to y'all. I really don't remember. But there you go. Pretty simple. Everything I need to get permitted by Harris County and Walker County. See ya. So what all you think we got up in here right now? Gator Meat Slinger model 24. Yep, this is the one that's in my concession trailer. This is the prototype, several years old, and it is still in use while I cater today. In fact, I've got a catering job tomorrow and another one on Saturday, 4th of July weekend, and this is what I am using. I've got it set on 225, and we're going to let it run low and slow all night and cook these old pork butts I'm about to show you right now. So hang on. Ooh, look at that sizzle. Yes, sir. So I'm talking about there's 8 pork butts in there, and I'll be throwing some more on later because I can go on. Guys, I'm cooking for 2 days, man. Heard that fan kick on? That's what I'm talking about. We saw the smoke rolling out. Saw the smoke rolling out. Don't talk about put grills don't smoke. Gator pits smoke. I got hickory pumps in there right now. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that bark going on there. Look at that bark. Gonna be some good stuff. Good stuff, guys. That's Gator Pit, Texas custom barbecue pits right there. And don't sit there and go, oh, that gauge is only 175, 160. I just had the door open, guys. I'm saying that because I have the haters, man. I have the YouTube haters. Just had one guy call me an idiot on YouTube. Yep, an idiot. He just said, you are an idiot. Okay, whatever. Have at it. Have at it, guy. Whatever. See ya. Let's see what we got going on outside where the pit is, guys. Our 4th of July catering here. We got the meat slinger rocking, guys. Rocking. Rocking. See what we got going on here. Ooh, I hear the sizzle. Look at that. 8 pork butts. 8 pork butts going on right now. 8 of them. Can't see them all because they're in the back. That thing's big. This deep meat slinger 24 in my concession trailer. Yes, sir. Got it going on. Hear the sizzle? Listen. Pull them out, get a little peek. Give you a little peek. Put them on here. I don't know, it's only been a couple hours. Ooh, that is looking good. Look at the bark getting started right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What I'm talking about. I'm just going to put this meat slinger on 225 and just let it rock the rest of the night, and I'm about to eat that for dinner right there. That's my sausage. Jalapeno cheese sausage. About to eat it for dinner. Put that on some flour tortillas. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to put this on low and slow. I've been running around 250, 270 the past couple of hours. Get some good bark on there, and I'm about to turn it down to 225 and let it just roll low and slow the whole night. That's what I'm talking about. Yep, that's Maverick right there. That's a little Wi-Fi Maverick or wireless Maverick, and I can lay in my bed tonight and look at my monitor. Gator Pit Rich here. It is about 7 o'clock in the morning on a Friday, and I've been cooking pork butts all night, and I actually slept, guys. I went to bed whenever I went to bed last night. Before I went to bed, I filled my hopper up, and I put this on my nightstand, which has warnings for high and lows, and this thing just rocked all night. The temperature set at 270 right now, I had it at 225 overnight, low and slow. I did just go and crank it up to 270. That's my pork butt meat temperature right there at 189. I want to get these things to around 202, 204. And so I cranked it up. I started serving at 11 o'clock this morning at my catering job. And I'll tell you what, this is actually a great tool, man, if you're doing those long overnight cooks. And you don't have to keep getting up and checking your pit, make sure your pellet hopper still got power and all that. This right here will tell you all that. And again, it'll give you the warnings. So I have no association with Maverick. It's the first time I ever used this thing. It's a pretty cool tool, man, for those overnight long cooks for you guys that are at home cooking, or for you caterers. Just to check your pit without having to get up and go physically look at the pit. And you see my temperature just with the 270, because that's what my PID on my pellet hopper set at. That's my controller, guys. My temperature setting is 270, and the pit is, my meat slinger is running 270. Let's go inside and see what we got. I haven't opened anything other than just going from 225 to 270 just now. So let's see how much we used last night. That ain't shit, guys. Look at that. I still got over half a hopper left. And this thing's been running all night at 225. That's just kicking ass, man. That's Gator pit, baby. And there's the other monitor part. That's the actual transmitter to the receiver I have in my pocket. And set at 270. Let's open it up and see what we got. Again, I haven't touched this thing since yesterday. Oh yeah. I love it, baby. Look at them butts, looking good. Look at the bark. Hell yeah. Loving it, guys, loving it. Pull them out and see what we got. Slide. Woo-wee. What I'm talking about. Rich Robin, Gator Pit, Meat Slinger. See ya. Alright, I've got the Gator Pit out here, catering on site. Set up for 357 gun store. Right there, those guys. Come check them out here in Katy. And we got this rascal walking up. He's gonna eat all my pulled pork. Here we go, guys. Starting to walk up. And here we are.
Any onions or pickles? Any onions and pickles?
Yeah, onions and pickles.
Alright. Well, time to get busy, guys. One-gallon Ziploc bags full of fresh pulled pork right off the pit less than an hour ago, or running an hour ago. I've got this right now, $45 a bag, guys. These are probably averaging a good 5 pounds each. Again, just pulling off the pit. Had a catering job, and I bought a case. I only needed 5, but I bought a case because the price was right. Bought a case, and these are the 3 butts that were not going to the catering gig. So here you go, 45 bucks for each bag. Come get it, guys. That's cheap.